As the numbers on the scale kept climbing, I knew I had to make a change. My personal weight loss journey has been a series of ups and downs, but through perseverance and determination, I've transformed my life. It wasn't easy. I started by incorporating daily exercise into my routine. From running to lifting weights, yoga to cycling, I challenged my body and pushed myself to new limits. But exercise alone wasn't enough. I also had to make significant changes to my diet. I said goodbye to unhealthy processed foods and embraced nutritious, wholesome meals. Throughout my weight loss journey, I found strength in the support of others. Whether it was leaning on friends or joining a support group, I gained motivation and encouragement that kept me going. With every pound I shed, my confidence grew. The progress I made fueled my determination, and I could see the finish line in sight.
Today, I stand before you a transformed person. From struggling with my weight to achieving success, I overcame obstacles one step at a time.
Thank you for joining me on my weight loss journey. Remember, with determination and perseverance, you can overcome any obstacle. Subscribe to my channel for more transformative stories and tips. Remember to like and comment. Tell me about your weight loss journey in the comments.